All right, the front yard starting to look like a boat yard. This is not on purpose, guys. I bought a new freaking boat and I couldn't pass up this deal. 22-foot Bentley with a 75 Mercury, 2007 Mercury, runs like a top, and all I've got to do is clean it, fix up this trailer a little bit. So you can see, like this bracket, for instance, it shouldn't be moved forward. We're gonna launch the boat, move the bracket where it needs to be, grind off some of this rust, paint this black, fix this rail right here. It's got a little rot going on. We might try and clean up these rotten boards here. Other than that, solid floor. We're gonna get rid of stuff like moldiness on the carpet. But other than that, this is a solid boat. You won't believe how much I paid for it. I don't even know if I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for it. I did not want to purchase this before I got done with the Copart boat. I haven't even started working on this thing yet. So the plan was to finish Copart boat before I got any new projects. But this here was one steal of a deal and I could not pass it up. I'm gonna show you all the inside real quick. The trailer needs a little work. It's rusty in some spots, and we're gonna fix that. And it's got some mold in here, and we're gonna get rid of the algae and mold. That's gonna be pretty simple. The worst seat is this one here, but everything else is pretty darn good on this boat. And it comes with a cute baby. Hey baby, what you doing? You driving the boat? So this boat is worth about 12 grand. And I mean, this is gonna be like a 2-week flip. I can't wait to get it cleaned up and get it sold and show y'all show the progress and the profit on this one. All right, so we have launched the boat. It's sitting at the harbor. I've got the pressure washer out. I'm just gonna blow this sort of paint off of here, and that's gonna help out, I feel like. Then I'll try and grind that smooth and repaint it. I may or may not carpet these, but I tell you what I am gonna do is I'm gonna crank on all these lag bolts and get these things nice and tight. I've already hit these brackets on the other side with a sledgehammer. So I guess at some point the guy, when he picked up the boat, it hit this rail. It moved all these brackets here forward. So I had to hit them all with a sledgehammer and straighten them all out. Now I'm gonna crank my lag bolts down really nicely, and I might even put a tack weld on the back of both of these so that doesn't happen again. And then we're gonna get this thing painted, and I'm really not sure how much I'm gonna get done before the sun goes down, but that's we're at least gonna get all the flaky old paint off of here today. All right, as you can see, it's nightfall. I did all my pressure washing. I'm not gonna bore y'all with pressure washing, but it was a great tool to use to get the paint off. It was just blowing off in places like here. It's gonna save me from doing a lot of sanding and a lot of grinding later on, so I'm happy that I did that. So far this year, this is the most expensive purchase as far as flipping boats go. However, this one has the possibility for the biggest return also. So hopefully I'll be able to double my money and maybe some. Hopefully pay for this mistake over here. Anyway, I am very happy to have this boat in my lineup of boats to sell. So I've got 3 boats to sell right now. Looking forward to seeing some profit, and I'm going to share that with y'all soon.